Hello guys, hi Akash Sharma here. Welcome to my channel, Traders Guide 2.0. Right? Today we'll discuss regarding super smart strategy that I'll be discussing, and that is for free. Right? So we'll discuss step by step what strategy, what indicators we'll be using, what settings will be we have to do, what cross confirmation, how to cross confirm for good signal, bad signal, how to avoid noises. We'll discuss everything step by step. Stay tuned. Okay, let's select our first indicator. I already selected the first indicator, that is UT bot. We'll use UT bot. You have to select UTBOT. Then you have to select UT bot alerts by Cont Nomad. Cont Nomad. You have to select this one. UT bot alerts. Okay, I have already selected that. And another indicator we'll be using along with this is STC indicator. STC. You'll find this STC indicator pattern. It's based on MACD, right? So you have to use this indicator as well as UT bot alerts. So let's do settings for UT bot first. Go to UT bot, go to settings part. You will see here the key value changes. Default it will be, I think, 1. You have to switch to 2. I already switched to 2. Default it will be 1. You have to switch to 2. Right? ATR period default is 10. You have to switch to 6. Right? So you'll get good accuracy. Even in, let me show you on default. In default also you can get good settings, good accuracy level, but to improve it we have to change the settings to 1 to 2 and 10 to 6. I will take signals from Hikanashi to get better accuracy. Okay, this is simple settings for UT bot alerts. We'll save the settings. Okay, fine. Now let's go with another indicator, that STC indicator, which I've discussed. Go to the settings part. Okay, now you have to change settings like this. Length you have to switch to 80, and fast length its default 26. You have to change to 27. Okay, now go to the style section, and this plot settings you have to change. Default it will be another color, but you have to change to green, and here change to red. Green indicates lower band and red indicates upper band. Green lower band and red upper band. Okay, it's simple settings. And go to inputs, length 80, fast length 27. Finish. Okay, now let's go towards the condition. Let's first see how to indicate the buy signal, how to check for a buy signal, and how to check for a sell signal. We'll see. Okay, I will also use one another indicator that is free only. You can go to the indicator section, SUPPORT, support resistance dynamic lonesome. You have to select this indicator. I have already selected. I will activate. No need to change any settings for that. So what this will help, I will show you. So let's go with the buy signal. Here you can see you got a buy signal from UT bot alerts, right? So you have to mostly check for a confirmation buy signal should be there. And here you can see this line should be below this lower band, green line, and here it should be changing from red to green. It should be here only. For buy you have to check here, and for sell you have to check here. If there is no any signal for sell, ignore. Okay, for this buy we have to enter for you got a confirmation, line is green, buy signal is there. You have to enter from a next candle. Let me show you up to what risk and reward. So I use this support resistance line for getting the targets. This is my first target, and this is my second target, and this is my third target. Okay, you can see how I can getting the targets. It's XUSD chart. You can use for any chart. You can use for crypto, forex, stocks, index, everything. On 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame, whatever time frame you want to select, you can select. Maximum 15 minutes. It's for intraday strategy. Even you can use for swing. I have not tried, but you can also try and backtest from your end. Then only go for a real trading. Okay, so here you can see up to what risk and reward ratio we are getting. Let's discuss. Let's go for a long position. I'm entering from here. My target I'm setting, I'm getting till here, and risk my stop loss will be, sorry, on last close. On my support line also I can keep my stop loss, fine. So you can see risk to reward your ratio is 3.89, risk to reward ratio I have got, right? Profit almost quantity 88, 7.307 is my open PNL. Okay, fine. So you can see, now let's go with another signal for sell. You can see for sell, but sell signal, mainly I mainly prefer the line should be upper, on upper band only. It should be in red. If there is no like that, do not enter for specific trade. Let's go with the buy signal. You can see here a buy signal is already generated, and the line is below the lower band and color is green, so both conditions are matched. So you have to enter from a next candle and set your targets to upper resistance. This will be a target. Okay, let's go with the risk reward ratio. Once we enter for specific position, our stop loss will be at lower point, and our first target to the resistance point. 1 is to 85 risk to reward ratio, right? So now let's see, again for sell, this is noise, so we have to ignore that specific trade. You can see our last trade is into buy, right? Your condition is also matching. Your STC line is also showing you green and it's on lower band. For buy signal, for STC indicator, you have to check for lower band only, right? And for sell signal, the line should be on upper band. Let's see for sell signal, confirm sell signal. So this is the noise you can see, guys. It's on lower band and sell signal as a rest. So you have to ignore that specific trade. Even you can see this sell signal has given, but we got confirmation on next below the upper band. So we have to ignore that specific sell signal. This sell signal is also not confirmed, right? Let's see for a sell signal. Okay. Okay, fine. So you can see here we got a sell signal. Our STC line is also converted to red and going downward direction. So you can enter for a specific trade and you can set your risk reward ratio as per your specific targets. You are not getting any single target. You can see till here, no any single target after you got a buy signal, right? So let's see up to what risk to reward ratio we have to enter from a next candle. Your first target should be here. You have to wait for this first target, second target, and you can see, till here you have got a profit. Your stop loss should be upper last high. Last high should be a stop loss. Fine. So I hope you guys have understood. It's very simple, very easy, smart strategy, right? You can see here you have to ignore this noise. For buy signal, you can see we got a confirmation, but it is below above the upper band. We got any signal, we have to ignore. This is the noise. This is the sideways market, range bound market. We have to ignore this signal. This sell is confirmed, sell signal is confirmed. You have to go for sell signal till here, right? Even you can continue for your sell signal. Why? Because this is also noise. Once you enter for specific trade here, once you can also enter from here. This can be also your sell confirmed trade for sell signal. So this is also your confirmed sell signal trade, right? So you can enter from here as well. Why this buy is noise? Because you got a buy convert line, STC line to green, upper band, above the upper band, lower band, above the lower band. We have the specific line should be below the lower band. Then and only a buy signal is confirmed. Let's see again for sell signal. Okay, guys, you can see the sell signal is, you got a sell signal on UT board, and your STC signal is also converted going downwards. And on the upper band, you can see the sell signal is confirmed here. You have to enter from a next candle and your trade should be continue. Okay, let's see for a buy signal. Okay, guys, you can see here your buy signal, it's noise. Actually this is also noise. For buy condition, your STC line should be downwards only. You do not enter in specific trades. So this trade is also confirmed. You can see for sell signal, STC line is also confirmed, and this UT board signal is also confirmed. For buy signal, this is not, this is also a noise. For sell signal, this is not a noise. You can enter for specific trade and book your profit accordingly. Even you can, you continue your trade from here as well. Longer trade, carry forward your trade, I can say. Okay, let's go for quality buy signal. Okay, fine. This is the buy signal we have got, right? So you have to enter for specific trade. Your UT board gives you buy signal. STC line is also confirmed. The green line below the lower band, right? You can go for a specific trade and you can set your targets as per my auto support resistance zones, upper resistance zone. You can set your targets. Currently, we are showing backtest data, so your lines will be not showing. Right, so you can see guys, this whole signals you're getting in between, these all are noise. Why? For sell, the line should be on above the upper line, upper band. For buy, it should be on lower band, so it's still continuing. So here you can see a sell signal you got. The sell signal is confirmed. From next candle you have to enter, and up to next resistance zone. This is the next resistance zone, but we are backtesting, so mostly we can't view that, but this is the next support zone. You can set the targets from here to here till support line. Even you can continue trade. Okay, so you can see here your buy signal is also confirmed. From next candle you have to enter till here, you got a small target. Okay, so I can see it's 99% accuracy strategy, right? And working very well in Indian market. Even you can use for crypto market, you can use for international stocks. You can see this for, okay, let's see the buy signal. You got a buy signal here. Your trade is confirmed. From next candle you have to enter. You set first target here, second target here, and third target here. You can see almost what performance you are getting. Use simple, you can use for, let's work for BTC, USDT, Binance. Okay, so you can see here you got a sell signal, and your line, STC line, is above upper, I can say on upper band, and line is red. So you can enter for specific trade. Your first target should be here, right? You do not get any buy signal, so you have to continue for trade. Your first target is already achieved, and you have to wait for the breakout, either upward or downward side, or else you can wait for your buy signal, else you can book your profit on your first target for support line, right? So let's see for buy signal. Where's the buy signal? So here it's noise. You can see guys, even your sell position also it's a noise. Buy position, yes, we got a buy signal here. You have to enter. Your STC line is below the lower band and it's in green, so your trade is confirmed. We have, else you can, guys, you can draw an horizontal line on a signal. Sorry, not horizontal, sorry guys. You have to draw one vertical line. Sorry guys, you have to draw one vertical line, and you can check whether this line is crossing, and this we are getting this buy signal from UT board. This line is green, and we have to got a confirmation and it's on lower band, right? So you can go for a trade. From next candle your target should be your upper resistance first target, and your second target is this, right? Fine. I hope you guys have understood this very simplest strategy. Three indicators we have used. I will share specific indicator settings in the description part. You will get very easy strategy, guys. Very easy strategy, right? So I hope all is clear. It's 99% accurate strategy. You will not get any noise. No sideways market signals. You will avoid all the noise, right? I hope this specific indicator is clear to all of you guys. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks for supporting, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon. You get my future notification, future good, very specific indicator strategy. I will come up with good strategies. Okay, fine. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you guys.